everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a review on the Ulta Beauty Matchmaker lip set. If you do want to see a review and a demo, then please keep watching. As a huge favor, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and comment anything down below. I greatly appreciate it. I read all the comments and I will do my best to reply back. This lip set retails for $18. I do want to read a little bit about this set. Create a lip look for any occasion with these matching lip duos featuring matte and glossy finishes. Here's a closer look on what the packaging looks like. Up at the top it says Ulta Beauty. Down at the bottom it says Matchmaker 8-piece lip set. This set includes 2 liquid lipsticks, 2 lip glosses, and 4 lip pencils. Up at the top there's nothing printed. Same thing on this side, there's nothing there. And on this side there's nothing. Same thing on the bottom, there's nothing printed. On the back you have a little description, the shade names, the ingredients listed, and it was made in China. Right underneath the barcode it does state this is a $65 value, but it's $18. This just slides right on out. We're first going to start off with the lip glosses, then we'll move on to the lip liners, and then we'll try out the matte liquid lipsticks. Let's see what this gloss looks like. Here's a closer look on what the lip gloss tube looks like. This is full size. In the center it says Ulta Beauty Lip Gloss. You get 2.8 milliliters or 0.09 fluid ounces, and this was made in China. There's no shade name printed down at the bottom, which is weird. On the back of the packaging, you have the shade names printed and the description. This shade is called Star Power. Here's what the applicator looks like. It's double-sided. Star Power is described as a golden nude shimmer. I like the high shine finish. Here's what the shade in Star Power looks like. It's basically a clear gloss with a hint of shimmer. It's really pretty. Let's see what the second lip gloss shade looks like. Here's what the second gloss shade looks like. This shade is called Daydream. Again, there's no shade name printed anywhere. It's described as a light pink. That's pigmented. Here's what the shade in Daydream looks like. This shade is so beautiful. Now let's see what the matching lip liner looks like. Here's a closer look on what the lip liner looks like. In the center it says Ulta Beauty Lip Liner. You get 0.2 grams of product or 0.01 ounces. And again, this was made in China. Here's how much product comes inside of the lip liner. Again, this shade is called Star Power. That shade is gorgeous. I'm gonna line my lips and fill it in. Here's what the lip liner shade in Star Power looks like. I love this neutral shade. Let's see what the gloss looks like paired together. Here's what that lip combo looks like. It's so gorgeous. Let's see what the pink lip liner looks like. Again, this shade is called Daydream. That's so pretty. Here's what the lip liner shade in Daydream looks like. Again, this shade is so pretty. Let's pair it with the lip gloss. Here's what that lip combo looks like. Again, it's so beautiful. Let's see what the neutral lip liner looks like. Again, this lip liner doesn't have the shade name printed, but this shade is called Paradise. Paradise is described as a deep nude. Again, very beautiful. Here's what the lip liner shade in Paradise looks like. I disagree with the shade description. It's not a deep nude, it's more of a mauve. Let's see what the matte liquid lipstick looks like. Here's a closer look on what the matte liquid lipstick looks like. In the middle it says Ulta Beauty Matte Liquid Lipstick. You get 2.8 milliliters or 0.09 fluid ounces, and again this was made in China. Same thing, there's no shade name printed on the bottom or anywhere on the tube. Again, the applicator is double-sided, and again this shade is called Paradise. It's described as a deep nude. Again, it's more of a mauve-y shade. It's not a nude to me. What do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Here's what the matte liquid lipstick in Paradise looks like. This shade is stunning. I'm gonna press my lips together. I wanna feel the formula. It doesn't feel like anything is on my lips, but it does feel a bit drying. I do wanna do a kiss test on the back of my hand just to see if there's any transfer. There's absolutely no transfer. I wanna see what it looks like paired with a lip liner. Now let's apply the matching liquid lip. Here's what that lip combo looks like. Again, it's gorgeous. Let's see what the last lip liner shade looks like. This shade is called Magical Nights. It's described as a deep burgundy. That's so beautiful. Here's what the lip liner shade in Magical Nights looks like. This shade is gorgeous. It's perfect for holiday. Let's see what the last matte liquid lipstick looks like. Again, this shade is called Magical Nights. It's described as a deep burgundy. Beautiful. Here's what the last shade in Magical Nights looks like. This formula isn't a liquid lipstick. It's not drying down matte. I think this is a lip gloss. It's really pretty though. Let's pair it with a lip liner. Here's what that lip combo looks like. Again, it's stunning. Here's what all 8 lip products look like swatched on the back of my hand. Again, you can see the last shade didn't dry down matte like this shade is, so I think this is a gloss. They might have mislabeled it. For $18, I think this set is a great value. You get 3 glosses and 1 matte liquid lip and 4 lip liners. I didn't like the formula of the lip liners. It was a bit stiff in the tube and it did have a makeup scent to it. I didn't like that scent either. I like the lip gloss formula. It's not sticky at all and it does have that high shine finish. The formula of the matte liquid lipstick was a bit drying on my lips, but I did really love this shade. Each lip product would retail for $2.25 if you would purchase this set. These would be great stocking stuffers. Let me know in the comments down below which shade was your favorite. And if you guys did enjoy this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please do subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video.